Good morning to everyone. Myself N. Kalpana. I'm from Sri GK Jain Higher Secondary School, Royapuram. For more educational video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Today, for the 10th standard, I am going to explain the lesson is Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. In the previous class, we discussed about the heartbeat. Heartbeat, it is a rhythmic form of sound due to the closure of the valves. Already we know we having a 4 valves. One is a tricuspid, bicuspid, and the remaining 2 will be the semilunar valves. So due to these 4 closure of these 4 valves, we can hear that rhythmic form of sound, that is a lap-tap sound. So today we are going to explain the topic is cardiac cycle. So cardiac means again it will be discussing about the heart. Cycle, it will be again rotating way the work, the event which is being done. See the sequence of events. Sequence means a lot of events will be done. Sequentially it will be done. Sequence of event from beginning to completion. That means during the contraction and the relaxation, the sequence of work it has been done, that is called as a cardiac cycle. And the duration of the heartbeat, it is about 0.8 seconds. So heartbeat means which is include both the systole as well as the diastole. That means contraction as well as the relaxation. So the time duration which is taken for both contraction and the relaxation, it is about 0.8 seconds. So what are all the seconds it will be involved? First thing is atrial systole. So heart which consists of the 2 layers. First is on the top layers auricles are there. Right auricle, left auricles. So due to the systole of auricle, it take about 0.1 second. That means contraction of auricle, it takes 0.1 second. Then ventricular systole which is present at the lower part of the heart. Ventricular systole, it is about 0.3 second. So the ventricle, the contraction which is being taken part of the ventricle, it take the time of 0.3 second. Then so after systole, the diastole will be there. After the contraction, automatically the relaxation will be there. So ventricular diastole. Diastole mean relaxation. Ventricular diastole, it take about 0.4 seconds. So totally 0.1 second, 0.3 second and 0.4 second. It will be about the 0.8 second. When you talk about the ventricular diastole, automatically when the ventricles have been relaxed, automatically the auricle is also been relaxed. That is why we have never been given the particular time limit to the auricular diastole. Here the systole have been given, but the diastole timing is not been mentioned here, because at the time of 0.4 second, when auricle it will having the larger space for part comparing with the auricle, the ventricle lower part which has been more expanded, it will be in a larger space it will be occupied comparing to the auricle. When ventricle, the largest part of the heart, it is being relaxed, mean automatically the shorter part is also relaxed. That is why we never been indicating the particular time limit to the auricles. Okay, then so 0.8 second, in the duration of 0.8 second, both the chambers, both the parts of auricle and ventricle get systole as well as the diastole. And next one, it is about the heart sound. Heart sound, it is about the rhythmic form, heartbeat. Okay, so we can hear the sound of lap tap, isn't it? So 2 kinds of sound which is being held, lap tap, lap, which taking a longer duration. Tap, it will be settled in the shorter form of the time, it will be get converted. So lap take longer duration, suddenly the tap take shorter duration. And next one, lap tap. So Why the sounds has been made? Because of the closure of the valves. So the LUP sound which is being held because of the closure of tricuspid as well as the bicuspid valves. Here the bicuspid and the tricuspid valves means tricuspid it will be having 3 valves, bicuspid it will be having 2 valves. Okay, due to the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid, you can hear the you can hear the sound of LUP. And the same while the remaining semilunar valves, the closure of remaining semilunar valves, you can hear the DUP sound. So totally the closure of the 4 valves, that means bicuspid, tricuspid and the other semilunar valves, you can hear the LUP sound. And next one, we discussing about the chamber of the heart. When you combine with when you called upon the chambers of heart, human heart will be contain 4 chambers. So the upper part will be called it as a auricle and the lower part will be called it as a ventricle. Auricle will be having a left auricle, right auricle. Ventricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. So totally we will be having the human being having 4 chambers. Let me see other living organisms also having how many chambers it will be in present. The first thing is fish. The fish which will contain only 2 chambers of heart. And next one, frog. Frog will be contain 3 chambers of heart. Not only the frog, all the amphibians are containing only 3 chambers of heart. Amphibians means the living things which will be live both on land as well as water will be called as amphibians. Amphibians will be having 3 chambers of heart. And next one, human. I already told that we the human being having the 4 chambers of heart. What are the 4 chambers? Left auricle, right auricle, left ventricle, right ventricles. And next one, reptiles. Reptiles is also having 4 chambers, but it is incomplete chambers. So in this lesson, in this topic, we are discussing about the cardiac cycle. The sequential event will be held between the contraction and the relaxation. What are all the sequential will be done, that will be explained, that will be called it as a cardiac cycle. And the durations of the cardiac cycle, it will be about the duration of heartbeat, it is about 0.8 second. Those 0.8 second, how it will be during the 0.8 second, both the contraction and the relaxation will be there. Here the time splitting will be given here. Auricle systole 0.1, ventricular systole 0.3 and ventricular diastole 0.4. Here during the 0.4 second, both the auricle as well as ventricle get diastole. And about the LUP sound, what is the duration will be held it on the LUP sound? Longer, shorter and closure of these walls. And finally we talk about the number of heart chambers. So in the one word question, we expect these questions and these questions. How many chambers are present in the fish? How many chambers are present in the amphibians or frog? For human or mammals. So mammals and the human beings will be having 4 chambers. And what is the time duration taking for the, particularly they will be asking, what is the time duration will be taking for the ventricular systole? What is the time duration take it for the ventricular diastole? So in the particularly they will be asking the questions. So this is about the cardiac cycles and the number of chambers in the heart.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.